destiny lies with me, Skywalker. Obi-Wan knew to the truth.
What is up, everybody? It is your boy J.H. Captured here, bringing you another video in the Nordic Trek series, video number 13 today. Just a quick disclaimer, this is the last video in the Denmark series. The next video will be showcased in Norway. Also, me and 3 of my colleagues rent a car and travel to Billund, Denmark to visit the Lego house. They have their own Lego set. I bought it over there. Very cool build. That'll be a separate video. Anyways, Lego Eiffel Tower. I'm sure you've seen it in most of my intros. Also, Lego. As you can't tell, huge fan of Lego. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yo, what's up, guys? So we just rented a car and drove 2.5 hours to Billund, Denmark, to visit the Lego house before we leave for Oslo, Norway tomorrow. So there's a Lego house sign. Yeah, so that's another thing about Lego in general, is that Lego, they have these passports, and every Lego store you go to, you can get a stamp. And my boy Isaac forgot his Lego passport in the car, so he's gonna go grab that. Because we're not gonna fly to Copenhagen, drive to Billund, just leave a passport in the car. Did you get, when you went to Germany, did you get them stamps in Germany too? Yeah. Sweet. You have to
Amsterdam. I got it in Amsterdam.
You have to buy something to get a Lego passport?
No, you just go in there and ask them.
Sweet. I think I'm gonna caption something like, "Too bad I wasn't bricked up."
No. No. Oh my god. I think it's like a ceramic because it's just putting these like grooves.
That sounds like ceramic.
Yeah. You can see.
Yeah, yeah, I can see it right in there. Yeah, we should do it. We're officially going in the Lego house after you, gentlemen. You got this. Don't do what I did. I'll join you. Holy smokes. You print your own wristband, name, everything. Sweet. Everything's Lego. That is so cool. R2-D2. Wow, that is. How big that is. It's awesome. Look at all the sets. Yo, there's the Eiffel Tower. God, that is gorgeous. Dude, here's a Coliseum. There's a Titanic. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. How big that is. Dude, I'm buying that Titanic set when we get back.
Have you had one before?
No.
Oh, first one.
Yep.
All right, so this is the Lego passport. On the first page, you put in your information, your birthday. Of course, you draw a wonderful picture of yourself as a minifigure.
Okay.
And then, every time you go to a Lego store or Legoland park, you can get a cool stamp in your passport.
Sweet.
And every month, we also have some monthly campaign stamps.
Okay.
But let's start with the Lego house stamp.
Okay.
Of course, this is the home of the brick, so this is a very exclusive stamp.
Sweet.
And then we have the yearly stamp, so you can see when you visit it.
Okay. Alright, let's hold on to that in my pocket so I don't lose it. That whole tree is made of Legos. I'll plant my own tree. Alright, taking my tree. I'm gonna plant it right there. Dude, this is awesome.
It's supposed to be good to like make your own bricks here.
Oh, cool.
Looks expensive.
Yeah, I'm not trying to like buy anything.
I'm buying a set and a keychain.
Okay, I'll probably just buy a keychain.
You're not gonna buy a set?
I already bought a set. I mean, maybe I'll buy another one, but like, I'm trying to save up for potential zip lining and bungee jumping. They have Lego mosaic art. What the? Robo Dino. Wow, dude. Technic Dino. Unreal. So you can build your own thing and leave it over there. That's what it is. That's cool.
Because he's in yeah, you can build little things in there, and then like and it's like you as a news article. It's really funny. Or a magazine cover.
So turn the lights on. You know just what we're here for. We're moving like a wolf pack. Feel the bass attack. Feelings growing strong. So turn the lights on. You know just what we're here for. Let's lose control. We don't care what they say. We're already on our way. That's how we roll. Shake us out, how we sway. We will take it all the world. Let's go and hit the dance floor. Yeah, let's go and hit the dance floor. Let's go and hit the dance floor. Yeah, let's go and hit the dance floor. Popping bottles. You know just how we do it.
Okay, it took an extra half hour because it took an hour to find all the pieces, but I finally made my tower. It's kind of going for like a Big Ben kind of thing. So this is where you build your own race car and you test it on the track. This is my 1:2 scale Triceratops skull. It was approximately built from around 2,000 pieces of mainly Lego Technic elements. I chose to build this MOC as a challenge because I thought creating the horns would be interesting using Lego Technic panels and plates. Very neat. Look at these. That is so cool. Is this glued in? You can move the pillow! That is so cool. Alright, so this is the red zone. Definitely a really nice day. It is strictly forbidden to climb the wall. Dangerous drop on the other side. Someone obviously did it, otherwise they wouldn't have put a sign there. Unless it's just common sense not to do it, someone did it. They really engage with every group of age here, from adults to young teenagers to young children, even toddlers. They're really hitting every certain age group here, and it's amazing. All right. Beautiful skylight. Different angle of the tree.
Junto, vai, bota no meio. Ah, isso, você no meio, vai. Você vê que todas as marcas poderão.
Daí ele falou que como assim de madeira? Pra deixar assim fazer.
Cool.
be one news to the truth.
So we just finished the day, walking back to the car, and it was awesome. What'd you buy?
I got the giant minifigure pirate.
Limited edition from the Billund Lego house. So yeah, we're gonna drive 2.5 hours back to the hostel, pack anything, get some food and snacks for tomorrow's 8-hour journey to Oslo. So yeah, till then.